Hi, this is Imran Ali from Larkana, which is a town in Sindh province of Pakistan. Yesterday, I was asked by my dear friend Miss Sophia to send her one poem in my mother tongue, which happens to be Sindhi language. So, the poem that I have selected for her literature group is by one of the renowned modern day poets of Sindhi language, Mr. Hassan Das. Unfortunately, Mr. Hassan Das died at a young age of 44 years, and the poem that I have selected from his works is titled as Lika Likoti in Sindhi language. Now, Lika Likoti, it can be called as hide and seek in English language. It is a game that I and many of the people in this part of the world used to play when they were kids. In this game, many kids used to hide and one was allowed to find them. So that's the name of the game, and he has uh, made poetic piece on that game. So I will read that for you people. लिक लिकोटी दिल थी चाहे तू मां खेडूं लिक लिकोटी दिल थी चाहे तू मां खेडूं लिक लिकोटी निम जे वण जी शांग थिए थी ॾारनि हेठां ॿार लिकनि था ॿारनि सां गॾु ॿाराणा ई पंहिंजा नंढड़ा प्यार लिकनि था लाटू मुंहिंजे वर में आहे ॾोर त तोखे फेराए थी कांग वणनि ते वेठा आहिनि झक पननि खे केराए थी काढ़े में सभु शाम छुपाया उस कढे पई अख पखियुनि जी तूं बि ॿुधी पई निंड पखियुनि जी तो लाइ वण तां तूं त पटियां थो झोलीअ में तूं हेठि झपी थी आऊं तोखे हथ ॾियां थो ट्रप ॾेई तूं अॾु ट्रपी थी ॿिनि पहरनि जो ॿघ अछा ॿ गॾु दुबे ते बीठा आहिनि ॿिनि पहरनि जो ॿघ अछा ॿ गॾु दुबे ते बीठा आहिनि माली वियो आहे मानी खाइण तन्हाई पई बाग़ संभाले अचो त गॾिजी चीकली पायूं अचो त गॾिजी चीकली पायूं पेर ॻसायूं फेरियूं पायूं लिंग लसायूं भाकुर पायूं हाणे लिक लिकोटी कहिड़ी प्यार हथां जो पकड़िया आहियूं वण जे हेठां वेठा आहियूं अचो त ॿई था रांदि करियूं अचो त गुॾड़ीअ खे परणायूं थैंक यू सो मच